Hello friends, good morning. And in today's session, we are going to learn the projection of a pentagonal lamina which is resting on one of the sides on HP, whereas the opposite corner touches VP. And he says this particular lamina is touching the HP by one of the sides at a distance of 20 millimeter from VP. Friends, we will do it by a different method, that is by the end view method. It is totally different from the regular projection. Friends, you have this lamina pentagonal in shape and it has got a side 30 mm. So there are five sides A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E and EA, and all these, each of these measure 30 mm. So this lamina is placed on HP in such a way that one of the side AB touches the horizontal plane. Friends, whenever you hold any lamina on VP or parallel to VP, you are going to see the true shape of the lamina in the front view. Hence, friends, I am going to keep this lamina at a distance of 20 millimeter from VP, the wall or the board, so that I will be able to see the true shape in the front view as a line in the left hand view, right hand view, and as a line at a distance of 20 millimeter from XY. Let us see how to draw this. Friends, now this is a pentagonal lamina and I am going to keep this on HP. So I am going to construct a pentagon here. This pentagon will have a dimension of 30 millimeter each. So this is the pentagon we have got. I'll tell you how to construct this, friends. So you mark a line AB of length is equal to 30 mm. So this length will be 30 millimeter, that every side measures 30 mm. And here at this point draw a line at an angle of 70 degrees to the horizon, 72 degrees. So this is going to be at an angle of 72, this also at 72. You know the side, take this much 30 mm as radius, strike an arc. You get this point. Similarly, this side you have marked 72 degrees. Again taking the same radius, strike another arc to cut this line here. So if you are getting these two sides, 1, 2, 3 sides. Now with this center and radius equal to 30, strike an arc. Again from this center, using the same radius, strike another arc. So all these meet or intersect at this point and you get the pentagon. Friends, he says the side which is resting on HP is at a distance of 20 millimeter from VP. So friends, I am going to see the top view of this lamina as a line below the XY at a distance of 20 mm. So friends, I am going to draw a line here parallel to XY and at a distance of 20 mm from XY. So this is the distance of the surface of the lamina initially from VP. So friends, I am going to show this as a line here. I will not mark A, B, C, D anything. This is how the lamina looks, that is as a line in the front top view initially. Friends, we have the front view, a regular hexagon of the given side 30 mm. We have the top view, a line on this at a distance of 20 millimeter from VP, and friends, we will project and get the side view of this. So I am going to mark another line x1 y1, which is the line of intersection of VP and the right profile plane, and this will be perpendicular to this xy. So friends, when this is placed at a distance of 20 mm, that distance of 20 mm can be seen in the top view and also in the end view. So I am going to mark a line here at an angle of 45 degrees to the horizontal and obtain the corresponding side view or end view of the lamina. So friends, this is going to be very obviously a line perpendicular to xy at a distance of again 20 mm. Since this is a square, you get this distance as 20 mm. Right? Keeping the lamina vertical on one of the sides on HP at a distance of 20 mm. You have got the front view, a regular pentagon, top view, a line at a distance of 20 millimeter from XY, and another line, a vertical line at a distance of 20 millimeter. This again 20 mm. Friends, this is how the lamina looks when it is placed parallel to the wall. But in the question he says, it is resting on a side on HP, whereas the opposite corner touches VP. Friends, in this question, this is the corner. Let us say this is the corner. And on this, you will have these sides, these two corners. And here, this is the side AB. This side AB is fixed. That is to say, the side AB, which is on HP, will be at the same distance. It won't be disturbed. So I am going to mark it as A dash, B dash. This is going to be A double dash, B double dash. The side view of the end. Then now, taking this distance center and radius equal to this height, I am going to strike an arc. That is practically, I am making this corner to touch the vertical plane at this point. Friends, I am going to join this to side AB. So I am going to join this. Friends, this will give you, this colored line will give you the final end view or the profile view. So this I am going to call it as D double dash. So this is the final end view corresponding to which we have to get what is the front view, what is the top view, etc. Friends, after obtaining this, you can find out what is the angle made by the surface of the lamina with HP and VP. Friends, if you measure this angle using a protractor, this will give you theta, the angle made by the surface with the HP, and this will give you the angle made by the surface with the VP. We can call it as phi, and this is right angle. So if this is 45, this is going to be 45. This is 60. This is going to be 90 minus 60. That is 30. Friends, this is the final end view, and let me mark this. When this point has moved to this point will move here. So this is going to be the point A, B, C and E. So this is going to be C double dash, E double dash. Friends, you have completed the projection of the end view. Let us get the front view. Okay, how to get it? Friends, the position of AB is fixed as I told you before. AB will be here. This C and E, if you draw a horizontal line from there, this C and E, we are going to get these points below this C and E. So this is going to be C dash, this is going to be E dash. Finally, the point corner D, which was here, has moved to this. So it has to move from there till here. So draw a horizontal from there, a vertical from here. These two will meet at this point. And this point is going to be D dash. Friends, we got all the 5 corners, join them by straight line. So A dash to B dash is joined, B dash to C dash, C dash to D dash, D dash to E dash, E dash to A dash. Friends, we have got all the 5 corners of the lamina. This distorted pentagon will give you the final front view of the lamina, and this will give you the side view of the lamina or the end view of the lamina. or the profile view of the lamina. Friends, after getting these two, we should get finally how the lamina looks in the top view. Friends, we will take these points one by one. A and B are here. So draw a vertical line from there. So below A, you get this point A. Below B, you will get point B. We have got this edge AB, which is on HP. Friends, now moving to the CE. C and E are here. The corner C and E. Draw a vertical line from there till it touches here. Draw a horizontal line from here. So this C will fall below this C. So this is going to be C. This is going to be point E. So we got A, B, C, E. D, friends, D is on the vertical plane. So it has to be seen as a point on the XY. So we are going to get this D exactly below this. So this point is going to be our D. So friends, I am going to join A and B. So A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, and E to A. Friends, this A, B, C, D, E will give you the final top view of the lamina. A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash will give you the final front view of the lamina. And this inclined line, A dash, B dash, C dash, E dash, D dash, represents the final profile view of the lamina or final side view of the lamina. We can also call it as the end view of the lamina. Friends, I hope you are able to get a clear picture of how the lamina looks when the surface is inclined to both HP and VP. Friends, if you are happy with my presentation, do subscribe to my channel. Have a wonderful day.